Yes! There's Rocksteady King of the Pit TV, The Breathing Furnace. Track number 29. Let's keep it moving. Come on. First time we've heard a nice little tom number here. Punk rock. Is this gonna flow into the next track, I wonder? Bow, 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 bow. That was The Breathing Furnace. Jeez Louise, information is free. Come on! Death metal. Bop, 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 bop. What tuning are these dudes in? I don't think it's a drop tuning. What is it like? C standard, D standard or something? Is it in standard tuning? I don't know. It very well could be. Or E flat. Information is free. Ear hustling anthem. Yo, we got 8 tunes left, people. I mean, what are we gonna do when this record is over? What am I gonna do with myself? Burning inside. A request for guidance coming up. Bruh, I've been listening to 2 songs at a time and it's still taking me about 18 days to get through the record. Track 31 and track 32 coming up. Alright. Yes!